Genesis recall. HD Radio can black out driver displays mid-drive. Genesis has issued a recall for 84,000 vehicles due to a software flaw that can cause the digital instrument cluster to go completely blank while driving. The issue isn't related to safety systems malfunctioning or vehicles rolling away, but rather an unexpected conflict within the car's infotainment system. Specifically, using the high-definition radio can intermittently shut off critical driving information for up to 10 seconds at a time. The problem? Overlapping data and blank screens, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA. The recall affects several Genesis models from the 2025 and 2026 model years. The problem stems from a software error where both HD and analog radio data are being written to the same memory location. This overlap can trigger a system reboot, temporarily disabling the instrument cluster and infotainment screen. Drivers may lose access to vital data like speed, fuel or battery levels, and critical warning alerts. While the issue hasn't yet resulted in crashes or injuries, the potential for distraction or delayed reactions is a concern. Which models are affected? The recall includes the following Genesis vehicles: 2020 52026, G80 2026, G80 electrified 2026, GV60 2026, GV70, and GV70 electrified. 2020 52026, GV80 Hyundai Motor Group has received 237 reports of this issue between September 2024 and January 2026. The problem appears isolated to Genesis products, unlike some other recalls that span multiple brands. The fix, software update, and a temporary workaround. Genesis is preparing a permanent software fix, expected by mid-March. Owners can get the update at a Genesis dealership or via over-the-air (OTA) updates if their vehicle supports them. In the meantime, the automaker advises drivers to disable the HD radio feature while driving. This means reverting to traditional FM/AM radio until the software is patched. This recall highlights a growing trend: modern vehicles relying heavily on software, which introduces new failure points. It also raises questions about quality control in complex infotainment systems and the need for robust testing before deployment. The issue is fixable, but the temporary workaround serves as a reminder that even luxury cars can experience frustrating glitches. Owners should follow Genesis's instructions to ensure safe operation until the update is available.